Joomla 4, a new world of possibilities. Build a beautiful, scalable website that will grow with your business. What is Joomla? Open source CMS, robust, secure, easy to use. How will Joomla 4 benefit me? Joomla for speed. Joomla for SEO. Joomla for accessibility. Joomla for security. Joomla for workflows. Joomla for emails. Joomla for search. Joomla for design. Many advanced features included custom fields, workflow, user registration, connect to external systems, and many more. What are you waiting for? Install today and grow your future. Joomla for all. Visit joomla.org/4.